Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this old laptop. We are going to replace the display. This display is cracked here. I will show you. This is 2012 model laptop, i5 second generation laptop. This is too old. So we are going to replace this display. This display is totally broken. You can check this. Today I will show you how to replace this old laptop's display. Let's go. So we'll replace this display now. First we'll shut down the PC. So this laptop model is Dell Latitude E6410. This is too old model laptop. We have to open this bezel from inside, from this side. So there are so many logs here. So we'll open this. So the bezel is removed now. So there are two screws here, here and here. We have to remove these screws and we have to open this display. So display screws are removed. You can check this. This display is removed now. You can check this. This is display cable. We just have to remove this lock. Like this, we have to open this and the display is removed. So this is our new display. We'll just connect this cable and we'll fix it here. Here we'll just connect this cable here. This is lock, so we'll lock it. The cable was fixed. We'll just check once if this is working properly or not. So the display is fixed, it is working properly now. We'll just fix the screws here and we'll fix the panel. So this is fixed, it is working properly. We'll just fix the screws and we'll fix this bezel to this laptop. Here are the screws. We'll fix the screws. The screws are fixed now. We'll just fix this panel here. This panel. We'll fix the panel here. These are the locks. And here are some of the locks. So now the display is fixed. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.